guys, it's a new week and welcome to MX Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and across the world. My name is the AfroGirl. Now we start off with some sad news. Our very own Kwame Eugene has shared the devastating news of his father's passing. In a post on Sunday, the talented singer took to his social media to express his grief, captioning a heartfelt tribute to his late father, Alex Marfo. And our thoughts and prayers are going out to him and his family during this difficult period, and may his father's soul rest in peace. He put out this on social media. He says, I've been going through difficult times for myself and my family. We've said goodbye to a loved one too soon. I miss you so much already, Dad. Rest well until we meet again. Once again, may his father's soul rest in peace. Now, moving on to Sarkodie, he has finally spoken about his diss song, Try Me, in a recent interview with Angela Yee, a former Breakfast Club host, and we have the video, so let's check it out.
Because the most recent song you put out is called Try Me.
Try Me.
I cannot believe you did that, because I feel like you try your hardest to not engage in, like, even doing press, you know, and you've even said that you like to keep your personal life separate from you as an artist. But in this particular situation, you've had to address things that have been said about you, right? And so what was your decision in making this song? So people are calling it a diss song, but I feel, and it is harsh, I'll say that, because it hurt my heart when I was like, ooh, I would hate for somebody to, I would not want to go back and forth with Sark on a situation like this. But what made you decide this was the move that you were going to make, as far as addressing, you know, this book where it was referenced you made a woman have an abortion?
To be very honest, it's a sensitive conversation that the reason why I didn't do no media run or press around it is because I know I might lose how I would like to present what I feel about it. So normally this is not the first time I've done records to address certain issue, or maybe a line or two in a record, because I don't know, there's certain energy I hate to feed into, especially speaking about it, because I might lose my cool. So with this situation, yes, exactly. I'm not going to sit here and say I'm super proud of everything. It's just in the moment how I felt, whether it be my truth, there should have been a way that you could have said it. That's why I don't like to speak about it, because this is a conversation between two people, but then we could have a conversation if you want to talk about it, because it involves me as well.
Right.
But because people know the Sark doesn't speak, you know, people think they can say something and no, Sark is not going to speak, and then it's going to get away with it.
Yeah.
You know? So once in a while, you know, you just
let them poke the bear. Yeah,
exactly.
Poke the bear.
So,
and because I'm the same way. If people talk crazy about me, I don't like to address things, because I feel like it gives it way more life.
Exactly.
And I see people do it all the time, and instead of me engaging in it back and forth, I'm like, you know what?
See, anytime I see this video, anytime it comes, I see it on my TL or something, the only thing that stands out for me is his accent. Hey, people, where you put travel small, or then the accent changes. But yes, he addressed Yvonne Nelson and the abortion and why he did Try Me, and he even made mention of his lawyer, that he expected her to, you know, come talk to him about it, but then she hadn't sent him any message, and eventually he texted her and then found out that, you know, she had passed away. But again, also he made mention that the song was leaked, which a lot of people don't agree to. Because, I mean, you said it's between you and whoever you recorded with, your producer. It's just the two of you that knew. You sneaked out together. So who leaked the song? Question for the gods. But moving to Nigeria, Brymo recently opened up about his attempts to have sex with female artists in exchange for collaboration. According to him, this was to form a stronger bond with them before collaborating with them. It all started when a fan told Adekunle Gold that Brymo should have been on his album. Brymo replied to the tweet stating that Adekunle Gold had once reached out to him about a collaboration, but it never materialized. In that same tweet, Brymo also stated that he once attempted to collaborate with Simi on the condition that they get intimate. According to that tweet, the intimacy was meant to lead to intensity. He also stated that he made a similar proposition to our very own Efya. In response to Brymo's tweet, Gold cautioned the singer against disrespecting his wife and family while also admonishing him to seek help. Now, we have a voice note Brymo did for the sake of clarity, and he posted it on Twitter, so let's check it out.
And I promised. Of course, I had to let go of the aspiration. You know? And I didn't intend at any point in time to demand sex for collaboration, no. I wanted an experience that involved sex with my female collaborator.
He wanted an experience that included sex with his female collaborator. So I'm just gonna ask what the internet aunties are asking. And they're saying that if it was with a guy, would you also want an experience to create some kind of intensity? You understand? But again, if Simi was the one who was to share this news to the world, guys, people will be out there saying that Simi just wants to spoil his name. But I mean, he has come himself to show you who he is. And still, some of you are defending him. But anyways, this is also not the first time people, like, he's come out with, you know, something about him being a sexual predator. This is not the first time. Other people have accused him and people have defended him. But at least now, he has come to say it for himself. So let us know what you think in the comment section. But that's about it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do. Everything on entertainment, everything showbiz, we've got you at MX24. So don't forget to give us a follow online at MX24GH. I'm out.